Hi everyone, this is Christopher. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help. The thunderhead clouds and rain in the distance created a wonderful canvas for these drone shots. I grew up in Oklahoma. Visiting this temple, well, it feels like home if you know what I mean. Can you do me a favor? Like this video and subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified when I release new content, which is usually 1 to 2 times per week. If you'd like to help contribute, my Patreon will be linked in the description below.